iOS 26 Big Clock Font on Lock Screen on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The clock on the lock screen can now expand, that is, become much larger than before in your new iOS 26. Let us see how. So simply first, wake up your iPhone but don't unlock it. Now in this interface, long press on the lock screen until you enter the lock screen customization mode. Now you will see the customize option. Tap on the customize option and then tap on the clock option, that is the time area itself or the frame around it. Now, this will bring up options for changing font, color, etc. So simply use the drag handle at the bottom right of the clock frame in order to make it larger. You will have to drag it downwards. Now, if the handle is not appearing, check the font style, as only certain fonts support the drag to resize feature. And if you're using a non-supported font, then resizing the clock may not be allowed. So you can simply change the font if the resizing is not allowed. You can then go ahead and pick the font, the boldness of your time, the color, and whether you want the glass transparent or translucent, or if you want it in solid style. Once you're done making the changes of your preference, tap on the Done button on the top right of your screen, and with this, your lock screen clock font will be changed. So this is how you can change big clock font on lock screen on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.